when India Alliance was formed, we told everyone that this is a short-lived alliance. This alliance will not live long because of ideological contradiction. Their only target was Prime Minister Narendra Modi. You cannot form an alliance only to oppose an individual. Today, Prime Minister has become a world leader. He inspired the entire global community. The disintegration of India will prove, or disintegration of India bloc, Indie bloc is once again going to establish the fact that Prime Minister Narendra Modi will re-elect with a huge majority again in the next Lok Sabha election. So,
this time also,
जहाँ से ही राहुल गुजरेगा वहाँ ही कांग्रेस खत्म होगा. जो कुछ भी बसा हुआ है वो भी खत्म हो जाएगा. Because he is so uninspiring, so much arrogant. उनका कोई लीडरशिप का क्वालिटी है ही नहीं. जहाँ में वो पाव रखेगा वही स्थान, वही इलाका बीजेपी के लिए एकदम बढ़िया हो जाते हैं. वो बीजेपी का सबसे बड़ा स्टार कैंपेनर है.